welcome to another class of computer lesson. Today we are going to take a revision episode. So here the chapter or the portions for this third term is chapter 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here we are going to learn about the all important topics in these chapters, in these 4 chapters. So first of all of you must study these chapters very well and then make sure all the answers are wrote down in this question paper. Do it very carefully. Then, so the first chapter in third term is chapter number 7 and its name is more about, what is the chapter name? More about paint. In this chapter, we discussed about what are the more advantages of paint software. And here we are discussing some questions. First, the rotate option is under in which group? We know we can rotate an image in different directions like 180 degree or horizontal direction, flip vertical, etc. So we can rotate an image in different directions. So this rotate option is under which group? That is image group. So first question, rotate option is under which group? Rotate option is in image group. Rotation option is under image group. So that is the first one we have to discuss about it. So rotate option is under which group? Image group. So make sure learn about this. Rotate option is in the image group. And next step, option to save the drawing is under. So we know after we draw a picture, we can save that. So if you want to save, then you can go to which option? Which option? Paint button. So for saving a picture, you can go to which option? Paint button. Paint button. Paint button. So first one, rotate option is under image group. Then saving a picture on the paint button. Then next one, how many tabs in a paint window? So how many tabs in a paint window? How many tabs there are? 2 tabs in a paint window. What are they? Home tab and view tab. So 2 tabs in paint window. 2 tabs in paint window. What are they? Home tab and view tab. Home tab, view tab. Okay. So first question, the rotate option is under image group. Then for saving a picture, we can go to paint button. Then there are 2 tabs in a paint window. What are they? Home tab and view tab. Then next, skew means slanting an image. Skew means, what is skew? Skew means slant an image. Skew means slant an image. Slant an image. Then next point, the cut or paste option is used to make copy of a picture. Is it right? The cut or paste option is used to move the picture. Cut or paste is used to move the picture. Move the picture from original location to destination or original location to another location. Original to another. Then next. So first one, once again, rotate option is under image group. Then for saving a picture, it will goes to paint button. Then there are two tabs in Paint window, Home and View. Then skew option means, what is skew? Skew is a option used to slant an image. Then cut or paste option is used to move the picture from original position to another position. Then another one, what about copy or paste option? Copy or paste. Copy or paste option is used to copy the image, copy a picture from one location to another location. Okay. Then another important thing in this chapter is what is the use of crop tool? What is the use of crop tool? What is the use of a crop tool? Crop tool is used to select a particular part of the picture, and that means retain the part of a picture and delete the rest. Then next question, use the dash tool to select the part of the picture that you want to change. So which tool is used to select the picture? So I hope you can understand all this. So let's move to another topic, select tool. Select tool. What is the use of select tool? Select tool is used to select the part of a picture. The next one, rotate tool. Rotate option is used to rotate option is used to rotate the picture. Rotate the picture 90 degrees. For example, so which button rotate the drawing through 180 degrees? Which is that button? Rotate button. So here once again, rotate option is under image group. Rotate option is under which group? Image group. Second, for saving a picture, then which option you need? Paint button. Which button? Paint button. Third one, how many tabs in a picture? So in a paint, two tabs. What are they? Home tab and View tab. Then what is skew? Skew means to slant an image. Then cut or paste means using this option we can move the picture from original location to another location. Then copy or paste means similar to the above one, but instead of move we can use copy. Copy the picture from original location to another location. Then next step, another one, which tab? Yes, so these are the important topics in this chapter. Once again, rotate option means which is under image group. Then for saving a picture, you can go to paint button, two tabs. What are the? Home tab and the View tab. Skew means slant an image. Then cut or paste means move the picture from original location to another. Then copy or paste means copy the picture from one location to another. Then select tool means to select the part of a picture, and using rotate tool you can rotate the picture. Then what is cropping? Cropping means to retain the selected part and deleting the rest of the drawing. Retain the selected part and delete the rest of the drawing. Then next, chapter 8. Chapter 8 is fun with the Microsoft Office Word. Chapter 8, Fun with MS Word. Yes. So here we discussed about some of important typing program, and the typing program name is what? MS Word. So how to open MS Office Word? Start or point to all programs, then Office button, then Office Word, MS Word 2007. So there are some screen components in Word. What are they? Office button, tab, title bar, ribbon and command button. What are the buttons? Office button, tab, title bar, ribbon and command buttons. So here in this chapter, which tab will you click to insert a picture? So if you want to insert a picture, which tab will you click? Which tab? Yes, that is insert tab. Which tab will you click to insert a picture? Insert tab. Which tab? Insert tab. So, to insert a picture, then you will click on which tab? Insert tab. Insert tab. So first, if you want to insert a picture, then you must click on which tab? Insert tab. So which tab will you click on? Insert a picture, that is insert tab. And then, what is the shortcut key for making text italic? So italic means italic font. So what is the shortcut key used for italic font? What is the shortcut key? Control plus I. Control plus I. Control plus I is the shortcut key used for making a text italic. Control plus I is the shortcut key. Control plus I is the shortcut key used to make a text italic. Then what about bold? Bold is, so bold font, Control plus B. Bold font, which is the shortcut key? Control plus B. Control CTRL. CTRL means control. Control plus B. So control plus B is the shortcut key used for making a text bold. Then what about underline? For underline, then you can use the shortcut key Control plus U. Control plus U. So here are three font styles: italic font, bold font and underline font. For italic font, then you can type or press Control plus I. For italic font, you can press which shortcut key? Control plus I. Then bold font, Control plus B. Then underline, Control plus U. Once again, italic, Control plus I. CTRL plus I. That is Control plus I. Bold, CTRL plus B. Underline, CTRL plus U. So once again, then if you want to insert a picture, you will click on which tab? Insert tab. Then for italic font, what is the shortcut key? Control plus I. For bold font, what is the shortcut key? Control plus B. For underline, that is Control plus U. Then next, the icon represents buttons. So, B is the button. B is the icon. B icon represents bold. B icon represents bold. Then I icon represents italic. Then U represents underline. U underline. So here is the shortcut key: Control plus I, Control plus B, Control plus U. I italic, B bold, U underline. Then B bold, I italics, U underline. Then next, these options are under which tab? These options means bold, italic and underline options are under Home tab. Which tab? Home tab. So this is the next question. bold, italics, then underline. These options are under home tab. Which tab? Home tab. To insert a picture, then you will click on insert a tab. Then bold, italic, underline options are, these options are under home tab. Then next, what do you mean by text? What do you mean by text? T-E-X-T. What is text? Text is the typed matter which does not include any pictures. What is text? Text is the, next what do you mean by text? Text is the typed matter which does not include any pictures. Text is the typed matter which does not include any pictures. Include any pictures. Text is the typed matter which does not include any pictures. So in this chapter, how to insert a picture using insert tab. Then bold shortcut key Ctrl plus V, italics Ctrl plus I, underline Ctrl plus U, and these options are under home tab. Then what is text? Text is the typed matter which does not include any picture. Then can you tell me some examples of typing program? Yes, MS Word. So what type of a program is MS Word? Typing program. Then what kind of commands are stored in Office button? So what kind of commands are stored in Office button? Commands stored in Office button. Commands stored in Office button. What are the commands stored in Office button? Yes, open command, save command, print command. Open, then save, print. Open, save, and print commands are stored in where? Office button. Open, save, print. Open, save, print commands are stored in which button? Office button. Then next, what is font? Font is the particular style in which you type the text. Then next is, what is word art? What is word art? What are it? What are its advantages? What is word art? Word art is the text with special effects applied to it. So dash is the text with the special effects applied to it. What is the word? What is the text? Word art. Word art is the text with the special effects applied to it. Word art. Word art is the special or the text with the special effects applied to it. So once again in this chapter, if you want to insert a picture, you can go to insert tab. Then there are three font style options: bold, italic, and underline. Bold means Ctrl plus V, italics Ctrl plus I, underline Ctrl plus U. And these options are under home tab. What is text? Text is the typed matter which does not include any pictures. Then commands stored in Office button are open, save, print commands. Word art is the text with special effects applied to it. Then next one is moving to next chapter. Starting logo. So here the logo commands, logo means it's a computer language and which is used to draw graphics and also shapes and calculations. Then logo commands are known as primitives. So the first point is logo commands are known as primitives. Logo commands are known as what? Primitives. P-R-I-M-I-T-I-V-E-S. Logo commands are known as primitives. Logo commands are known as primitives. This is the first point. Logo commands are called what? Primitives. Then next, there are some components in logo commands. Logo screen. What are they? Drawing area, reset button, command recall box, input box, execute button. So logo commands are, you type the logo commands in where? Input box. Here you type the logo commands. So first input box. Here you type the logo commands. Then command record button or command record box stores all the commands. Then next, what is the use of forward command? Here there are some commands. So first command is FD command. So next point, FD command. FD means forward. FD means what? Forward. So what is forward command? Forward command means it is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. Move the turtle in forward direction. Move turtle in forward direction. Then what about DK? So first forward, first logo commands. Logo commands are also known as primitives. In the first point. Second point FD. FD is forward. Then what is its use? It is used to move the turtle in forward direction. Then next is BK. BK means back. And what is its use? Back command is used to move the turtle in backward direction. Move turtle back. Move turtle back. Back command is used to move the turtle in backward direction. Then next is RT. RT means right command. Right. Right means to turn the turtle in the to the right direction with an angle. Turn the turtle to the right direction with an angle. Then LT means left. To turn the turtle to the left direction with an angle. So once again, logo commands are also known as what? Primitives. Logo commands are also known as primitives. Then FD means forward. BK means back. RT means right. LT means left. And what is the use of FD command? Used to move the turtle in forward direction. BK means move the turtle in backward direction. RT means to turn the turtle to the right side with an angle. Then LT means to turn the turtle to the left side with an angle. Then next, there is a button which clears the figures in drawing area. What is the button? Clears the drawing area. That is CS command. CS means clear screen. Clear screen. Clear screen is the command. Clear screen. Clear screen is the command used to clear the drawing area. Clear screen is the command used to clear the drawing area. Clear drawing area. Clear drawing area. Then next one. What is PR command? PR command is used to print the messages and do calculations. So next is this is CS command and next to PR or print command. function of PR command. So primitive means logo commands are also known as primitives. FD, BK, RT, LT, CS, PR, these are the commands. FD means forward, to the forward direction in required steps. BK means to move the turtle in the backward direction with the number of steps. RT means to turn the right direction with an angle, and similar to that, left. LT means is the command used to turn the target to the left side with an angle. And if you want to clear the drawing area, then you can type the command CS, and the type command which will be used in input box, and the commands are all stored in command recall button. Then what about PR? PR means it is a print command which is used to print messages and also do calculations. Then next one is what is the difference between CS and CT command? We know CS means it is used to clear the drawing area. And what about CT? CT command will erase the commands from the command recall box to make it empty. So what is CT command? It is used to erase the commands from the command recall box. So CS is clear screen and CT is clear text. Clear text command is used to remove the commands from command recall box. Remove the commands from command recall box. Then an example, that is FD 100, then RT 90, next FD 50, the next one RT 90, then FD 50, then RT 90, then FD 50. So let's draw this picture. So first FD 100. So here is the turtle and it moves 100 steps in the forward direction. So move the turtle 100 steps in the forward direction. That is, this is FD 100. Then next RT 90. RT 90 means to turn the turtle to the right direction with an angle 90 degrees. So here is the turtle now, and then turn the turtle. So turn the turtle means turn the turtle 90 degrees. So the turtle becomes in the head is in the right direction, or face is in the right direction. Then next step, so we completed first two steps. Then next step FD 50. Then move forward with the 50 steps. So move forward means move the turtle 50 steps. That is FD 50. Then now the turtle is looking like this, and then again turn the turtle 90 degrees. So turn the turtle 90 degrees means it looks like this. Then next step FD 50. Then after move the turtle 50 steps. So here is the FD 50. And then also again rotate the turtle 90 degrees. Now the turtle is in this position. Then after that, last command is FD 50. So move the turtle 50 steps. So this is the figure after performing all these commands. First FD 100 and then FD 50, then RT 90, then FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, then FD 50. Then, what are the full forms of FD, BK, RT and LT? FD means forward, BK means back, BK means back, RT means right, LT means left. Which command is used to clear the drawing area? CS. What is the use of PR command? Used to print the messages and also do calculations. Okay. Then moving to next chapter, networking and the internet. Networking and the internet. Networking and the internet. So, here there are two types of computers, standalone computers and networked computers. Standalone computers means the computers are linked to each other, so we can share the resources and devices. Then, what is the full form of email? What is the full form of email? Email means electronic mail. Electronic. E represents electronic mail. Email is electronic mail. Then that is the first point. What is email or what is the full form of email? Electronic mail. Then next, so can you tell me whether it is false or true? The web is made up of thousands of paper files. Is it correct or no? The web is made up of thousands of paper files. No, it is not true. Then, what is the global network consisting of millions of computers worldwide? That is internet. Internet is the global network comprising of millions of computers. So internet. So we learn about internet is the global network. Then which is the fast electronic way of sending messages? Email. Email is the electronic and fast way of sending messages. Then next, write two advantages of email. What are the two advantages of email? Yes, it is very fast. Then another advantage, very economical. It is very fast and economical. Very fast and economical. Then next, define the following. www. What is the full form? www. World Wide Web. World Wide Web. www. World Wide Web. Email, electronic mail, and ISP. ISP full form, Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. ISP. Internet Service Provider. Then next one, modem, modulator, demodulator. Modem, modulator, demodulator. Modulator, demodulator. So modulator, demodulator. Then next one. So which one is the electronic and fast way of sending messages from one computer to another? That is email. Then what is email? Write in it two advantages. What is email? Email is the electronic and fast way of sending messages. Then it is very fast and economical. Then once again, so let me remind you. First one, the rotate option is under image group. Then skew means slant an image option to save is under paint button. Then use the dash tool to select part, that is select tool. Use the dash tool to rotate, that is rotate tool. Then next one, what is the difference between copy or paste and cut or paste? Cut or paste means move the picture from one location to another. Copy or paste means copy the picture from one location to another. Then next, which tab will you click to insert a picture, that is insert tab. Then shortcut key for italics control plus I, shortcut key for bold control plus B, shortcut key for underline control plus U. Then these options are under home tab. Then what do you mean by text? Text means typed matter which does not include any picture. What are the kinds of commands stored in the office button? Open, print and save. What is ribbon? It gives you all the options in a single area. What is logo? Logo is a computer language used for drawing figures. Then what are the commands known as primitives? Then FD forward, BK back, RT right, LT left. Then after that we did an example. Then what is the use of CS command? To clear the working area. Then PR to print the messages and also do calculations. Then CT means clear text, to clear the commands from the command recall button. Then next, advantages of email: it is very fast and economical. It is the fastest way of sending messages from one computer to another. www is World Wide Web, ISP, Internet Service Provider, modem, modulator, demodulator. So let's wind up this class. So all the best for your exam. So study well. Thank you.